Hello guys, and we are back with another program, how to create Fibonacci series using recursion function. So let's start it. Define fibn if n equal to 1 n equal to 1, then return 0 elif n equal to 2, return 1, else return fib, which we have defined, n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. So we have defined a function. Basically, this function will tell us the value of a particular number. Let's take an example. If we take number 5, then it will give us 3 because in the series Fibonacci series at the number 3 is at the fifth location. So we will start n equal to int input enter last number num last num. We have to supply a number n one by one to our function which we have defined above. So we will start from loop for I in range 1 n plus 1 print fib I. This will give function a value I which is equal to the number in range 1 to n plus 1, where n is the number which we have entered. So we will end this with n equal to comma. So this will basically separate the number with commas. So print this, basically we have to print at last the Fibonacci goes on to infinity. So we have added this. So we will simply save it. Fib dot py. We will check. We have not added there. That's fine. We will enter last one. We'll enter last one. We want up to 10. We want Fibonacci series from 1 to nth term of Fibonacci series. So here is our Fibonacci series. Thanks for the day. Thanks.